Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jason. This is Jason's Vegan Kitchen. This is a really super easy recipe for no strain, no soaking required cashew milk. So please check it out and let me know what you think in the comments.
For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of raw cashews, 4 cups of water and ice. I generally use 3 cups of water to 1 cup of ice, and 1 to 2 pitted medjool dates. You can use smaller dates, in which case I'd recommend 4 to 5 of them. The dates are optional, but they do add an extra level of sweetness and taste. I definitely recommend a high-speed blender for this one for really super silky smooth results. So put your cashew nuts raw and unsalted into your high-speed blender, then add in your water and ice mix. I used some ice to keep the milk cool whilst it was blending, so I had 3 cups of water and 1 cup of ice here. I then added my 2 pitted medjool dates and blend for 2 minutes on high speed. Your milk's ready to use straight away with no straining required. A couple of top tips for you. Firstly, you can also soak the nuts for a couple of hours first if you don't have a high-speed blender. You can also soak in boiling water for about 5 minutes. Either way, just make sure that you drain off that soaking liquid and rinse the nuts before using them. Ice keeps the mixture cool, so if you're not using ice, you will have to refrigerate before use. And you use this milk anywhere that you'd usually use cow's milk, so on cereal, in cocoa, or in any recipes. And to store, just pour them into swing top bottles and they keep in the fridge for about a week. I love the fact that it's so easy to replace cow's milk and it requires no straining. Just make sure that before you use the milk, if you've been storing it in the fridge, that you give it a really good shake first.
So that was the recipe for easy cashew milk. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out one of my other videos.